First, open your Figma design. Next, go to the Plugins menu and find UX Pilot. You may need to log in to use it, either in Figma or directly on the dashboard. In this video, I will show you how to create wireframes using UX Pilot directly in Figma. Step 1. Select wireframes or design as your use case. Step 2. Choose the screen type, such as desktop or phone. Step 3. Enter a prompt message for your project in the input field. It may take a few minutes for your design to complete. I hope this video helps you understand how UX Pilot AI is a powerful tool for UX and product designers looking to work faster and smarter.